What is Harrison doing?
Oh, he's facing the wrong way. Okay. Okay, go.
Oh, who's gonna take a picture?
Oh, I'm gonna take a picture.
Yeah.
He's kind of shut. I know. Look at me, Harrison. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
No, Caribbean. It's not Caribbean. Yeah, somewhat.
But just the way they asked me or whatever, I was like, I didn't really
Let's get a picture too.
Right. Already.
I know.
There you go.
We just gotta keep going in.
Come on.
We just have to keep walking in. Yeah, just let's do it.
Wait, where's that
We're supposed to just stand in there.
All teenagers. Yeah.
What is Harrison doing?
Oh, he's facing the wrong way. Okay. Okay, go.
Oh, who's gonna take a picture?
Oh, I'm gonna take a picture.
Yeah.
He's kind of shut. I know. Look at me, Harrison. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 1. Oh, this is tough.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
One more.
I'm like,
Okay,
somebody's
come on.
coming, run. And we leave him. Leave him. Oh. Wow. You got in there. In there. Don't forget your drink.
Off it.
Oh, you waiting on the line?
cold now.
It is. Right.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. You know what the great. 1, 2, 3. Got you.
It sounds worse though. I ain't got time to be me. Are you done? you going?
I don't want no.
You say you don't want no what?
You know how hard I'm holding myself.
I'm
like,
sure. And you went all the way around.
Yeah, I did good. I went around. That's my doing good. I went around. If you think it's easy, you come do it. Come do it.
We're down here in DC at Navy Yard. We went to Enchant Christmas. So yeah.
Yeah, Enchant.
We met up with Corey and Adam. So we'll see them in the video. Or already saw them wherever this goes in the video.
Right.
You'll see Harrison.
Which I'm already here.
No. I'm talking about the skating.
Yeah, we did capture a lot of things out there.
Yeah.
Like, I thank God I didn't fall. But you guys gonna see the video
Right.
right there, see how everything went. It was fun, at the Enchant Christmas. So out here, to see how the Christmas is going, and it was, ice. It was iced out here, cold.
It's not that cold. It really isn't that cold, y'all.
It was freezing though.
Oh, the ice. I thought you were talking about the temperature.
Now you guys know what I'm talking about. Even the stuff I gave to her, she was like, "Why is everything so cold and ice?" Yeah, because that's how the weather is down
He
here.
was Mr. Freeze. I feel good.
I know.
It could have been that little light bulb, but we'll see.
So it was really fun out here, and we enjoyed every time we spent.
Yes, we had a good
Yeah.
time. Do something Christmassy.